Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2016 Lexus RX350 Luxury Package in the Eminent White Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low mileage with only 29,658 kilometers, local Calgary car. Some of the features do include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake with the auto feature, drive mode select, center locking differential, sunroof, noble brown interior in great shape, rear door manual sunshades, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.